Connecting your affiliate networks to wecantrack puts every click, conversion, and commission in one dashboard. Here's how to add one. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. This is where all of your networks connect. Every network connects one of two ways. Most use API credentials, and some use a postback URL. wecantrack shows you which one applies. Let's start with API credentials. Open your network, click Create Account, and you'll paste in your network's API key. wecantrack links you straight to where that key lives inside your network account, so you're never left hunting for it. Now the postback method. Instead of a key, wecantrack generates a unique postback URL for you, right here. Copy it, paste it into your network's postback settings, and your conversions start tracking. No developer needed. That's the whole idea. Pick your network, follow its guide, and we have a step-by-step video for each one.